News alert now. Supreme Court will once again take on Obamacare. The justices agreeing today to take up a lawsuit over one of the more controversial parts of that law. That's the contraception mandate. Shannon Bream has been following this closely live in Washington to tell us what's happening on this. Shannon?
Well, Bill, this is going to be the second time the justices directly take a look at the health care law and how it's impacting employers and individuals across the country. We expect it'll be on the court's calendar to be argued next March. This primary challenge comes from the nationwide chain craft store Hobby Lobby. The owners say their deeply held religious beliefs will be violated if they are forced to comply with the HHS mandate, which requires employers to provide their employees cost-free access to health coverage that includes all forms of contraception, including methods that some actually believe cause abortions. The court's going to combine this Hobby Lobby case with another employer who had a similar claim. David Cortman, the attorney representing that second employer, told us just moments ago, quote, "The administration has no business forcing citizens to choose between making a living and living free. We trust the Supreme Court will agree. A government that forces any citizen to participate in immoral acts like the use of abortion drugs under threat of crippling fines is a government everyone should fear." Now, one of the interesting things about this case is that both sides, the employer and the Obama administration, urged the 9 justices to take up this case. The White House sounds confident today that the mandate is going to be upheld, saying this moments ago, quote, "The health care law puts women and families in control of their health care by covering vital preventive care, like cancer screenings and birth control free of charge." It goes on to say the president believes that no one, including the government or for-profit corporations, should be able to dictate those decisions to women. The White House also notes that there is a religious exemption built into the regulation, but critics say it doesn't go nearly far enough. By the way, a brand new poll just out from the Family Research Council and Alliance Defending Freedom, the results show 59% of voters, when it was explained to them, say they oppose this HHS mandate. We'll see what the justices think, probably hear the case in March, a decision by June.
Wow, Here we go again. Shannon, thank you. Much more fallout on this throughout the day. Shannon Bream in Washington. Allison?